Hi everyone, in this video I will quickly show you a scenario that allows you to get some company information and paste it on Google Sheet. So how does it work exactly? So in my Google Sheet here I have some codes. Code nav, it's a French code number. I can choose the code name for the code number for the region and the city. Okay, and I want to retrieve this kind of information. So the address, the owner name, the code of the company name, and the code of the typology of the company. So all this information is present in Pappers. Okay, for instance, if I look for a company here, okay, you can get this is my company. You can see all the information about this company. Okay, so the owner, etc. How to get and retrieve this information via the API. So there's a lot of documentation. It's very well done. So you can you have several type of requests that you can do. Mainly are get requests. Okay, you need to sign up for an account that will allow you, like, if you only use 100 tokens per month, it's free, and you just need to generate an API key, and you will be able to paste it in Make. Okay, so how does it work on Make? So I connected the first module. It's a Google Sheet that is connected to the first tab on my Google Sheet with the CodeNav codes in the department. Okay, so I can set it. So it will it's just a search row module. So it will search. So in this case, for this example, I only have 3 nav codes. So we'll retrieve the 3 rows. Then I have this get method that it's linked to this search company. Okay, if we go here, I have this recherche. Okay, it's to search the company information. And here, what is required is the API token that you can get from here. Okay, again, you just need to copy the API and paste it here. And the code nav, it's a variable that it's given from the previous Google Sheet. And here you can set also how many results do you want per page. So by default, you have 1 page of results, and by default it's 10. For this example, I just put 5. So eventually we will have 15 rows because I have 3 nav codes, and we will have 15 rows that are going to be created. And the department, I set it to 006, which is Nice, the city where I live. Okay, so this will return an array of the results. So we need an iterator to generate the bundles for it. I have another video in which I explain more in detail how the iterator works. And then here we call another API. We get enterprise information. So here, basically, the fiche entreprise allow us to get all the information about the company. Okay, we're not getting all of it. So the API call retrieves all this kind of information, but then here on my delete on my Google Sheet, when I paste again the information, I want to paste the nav code, the company name, the siren, which is the code of the unique code of the company, and the address, the name of the owner, and the type of company. So in this case, I chose 3 codes that retrieve restaurants, basically. Okay, so let's see if it works. So if I run it, okay, here we see that we have 1 operation, and we have 5 results per page. So total results were 81. Me, I decided only to get 5 of them. Okay. The second operation again, I have 5, and the other 5 for the third operation. Okay, so as I said, because we are generating 15 rows, so let's see if it worked here. Okay, here you see I have the information about these companies. Okay, some of them, might happen that the owner name is not present, so this is why it's blank. But I know that in this tree, the company name is Padre Alain, and the owner name is Alain, and probably it's for sure it's a restaurant type, okay, because it's this code indicates companies that work on food and beverage, okay, but maybe it doesn't have the convention collective. It is kind of the type, more specific type of company. So like this, you have the address, the name, the owner name. Then, if you want to get more and more information about the company, you can. Okay, it's really in Pappers you can find everything. So you can have your list of companies that it's specific to your needs. Okay, so basically here what we did is just exactly like linking the variables that the API get request was giving me. Okay, let me know if you want to see a more complex scenario. I will be happy to maybe create a video about it, and I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.